Badde nange awo wetuli right now bagedde ku advocate baga ku judgment day buli kimu already Yesu agenda okuba nga akumyewo okutukima nga everything is in place right nga amaze okutudefendinga nga n'ababa abajjeemu right I don't think Jesus is going to come atandike okuzanya ne sitaani nti oyo wange already bibeera mu place already aba amaze okujja advocate yatudefendinga kyovola right now era akyatudefendinga era nga tewe basiiringa right now gundi naye lwanaaba nga buli kimu kiwedde already defense era ajja kuba eggaddwawo nga abalungi babalonzeemu n'ababyajja buli omu ayina reward ye talina enda kutandika kudda na sitaani oyo wange nedda oyo wa no yajja kujja already amaze agenda kudestroyinga buli mubi so talina nkolagana na sitaani kuba naye aba amuleetedde reward ye so I think that kintu ekirina okubeera right
yes nze wenkitegeera kaakati vivye nakubidde ddala ku mutwe vivye nakubidde ddala ku mutwe yes njagala olunyini tusome Brian or Florence do you have can you read from where you are today?
Yes,
are you driving
no I'm not driving.
Okay, go to read some second Thessalonians.
Oh, we opened the Bible? Okay.
Yeah, open the Bible. Once the subject is on Second Thessalonians, I think, chapter 4, verse 16. No, First Thessalonians, sorry. First Thessalonians, chapter 4. To some verse 16.
Okay.
Okay, no, to Gambe, verse 15, Kali.
Okay, First Thessalonians,
chapter 4.
Chapter 4, 15. According to the Lord's word, we tell you that we who are still alive, who are left until the coming of the Lord, will certainly not precede those who have fallen asleep.
About friends asleep.
Abatagenda kuzuukira.
The dead in Christ. Whenever you see the word sleep in this whatever are those who are dead. Just to so abaiba say mulimu types maker.
Two.
Bibi, yeah. Abolungi na abafena tukolaki tufa. Naye in this case baluwa baatimi bayogera ko wano betugenda okulaba bebonoonyo babalungi soma ogende maaso olabe ombuli baluwa baatimi at this time.
For the Lord himself will come down from heaven with a loud command, with the voice of the what?
Archangel.
Archangel, and with the trumpet call of God. Dead in Christ will rise first. After that, we who are still alive and are left with will be caught up together with them in the clouds.
So come out to be caught up in the clouds to be judged.
Yes, to be judged.
Oh. Where does this? No, read ahead. What does it say?
Because for you to Gambia, yes, okay, we are saying, but you know we're all gonna be meeting him in the clouds for final judgment.
For the righteous.
So continue so that I can ask you this. Then also what the Bible says.
Okay, 17. After that, we who are still alive and are left will be caught up together with them in the clouds
to do what?
To meet the Lord in the air.
Then go
so we will be with the Lord forever.
Okay, look. Judgment how. Ichitegeeza tosa going to be with the Lord forever. I think a judgment nabeera okubanga wabere possible to free tosa need dayo. In other words, at that event, when Christ comes for those who are dead in Christ and those who are living to meet him, each day is a day. We are going to be with the Lord in the air we're going to be with him forever.